Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to our work on phonics. Today is day 1, so go ahead and grab your English notebook. All right, we're going to write high frequency for the title of our work today. All right, and then you can go ahead and write today's date and then the page that you'll be using for your work. All right, and then we're going to use this process. Okay? I know that you're all familiar with this process. We used it quite often in distance learning, and we will continue to use this in the classroom. The one difference for today is that I went ahead and chose these 5 words for our focus today. Okay, so if you remember, we're going to say the words. We're going to practice spelling them in our heads, okay, saying the letters in the words. We're going to practice reading them, right? And then our final step is writing sentences. And this is the piece that will be written on the page in your notebook. All right, it says write a sentence for each one of the high frequency words, and then write your sentences in your English notebook. Okay, like everything we write in 5th grade, we make sure there's capital letters, we make sure there's periods, and we make sure that it's a complete sentence. All right, so double check those. All right, nice work today.